Uganda's Constitutional Court overturned the anti-gay law after ruling Parliament passed the bill without the required number of members of Parliament present for the vote. But David Bahati, the legislator who first tabled the bill 5 years ago, is not deterred.
The court ruling will not divert us from the path that we have set ourselves to do, the path of making sure that the family institution is protected, the future of our children is protected. Whatever time it takes, if it is 1 day, we'll get it done. If it is one week, we'll get it done. If it's a year, we'll get it done. I think the core issue is the purpose and the principle for which we are pushing for this.
Bahati says he is convinced he can secure enough members of Parliament to vote it through. By law, 1/3 of the members of Parliament need to be present to pass legislation.
I think the world is looking for leadership on this matter, and we are blessed that Uganda is among the countries that is providing that leadership. To see that the world goes back to the past, original past, which God created us to be. God created man to marry woman, not man to marry man.
Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni signed the bill into law last February. It carries life sentences for homosexuals and other stringent measures. Opponents say it breaches the constitution.
The law is based on homophobia, a lot of fear of so-called homosexuals, and it takes away a protection, equal protection of the law, which these people are entitled to. So such sections, I don't see how the Constitutional Court will allow them to continue standing. So even if they bring it back in that form, the law will still be knocked down.
Many Western nations have condemned the law, and several have cut aid to Uganda in protest. Proponents of the anti-gay law describe last week's ruling as simple gymnastics and insist that the legal technicalities will not deter them from getting that law back into Parliament. Now, whether it returns in its original form or with some changes, it could still face opposition. Ssenyange, CCTV, Kampala, Uganda.